Just because a clothing label reads dry clean only does not mean it cannot be hand washed. If an item is made of natural fibres, then usually it can be hand washed. Fill the bath or sink with warm water, then add in your hand washing detergent as instructed. Now I ain't gonna lie, finding the right hand washing soap is not gonna be easy. It's one of trial and error. My favourite is Woolite. I love it for the smell, the cleaning results of my hand washed clothes, and this detergent does all the work for me. I'm wearing gloves today to ensure my nails do not snag at my favourite jumper. Now, something I forgot to do because I got a little bit distracted was turn my sweater inside out. Now add in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to the wash and swish gently, taking care not to stretch the jumper, and leave it to soak for 15 minutes. Now next up, we're going to gently rub our sweater in the areas of under the arm, around the neck, and at the end of the sleeves. Now be careful when you're doing this because you do not want to damage the fibre of your clothing. Once done rinsing, squeeze as much water out of the sweater. Do not wring it out. Just keep squeezing out as much water as you can. Next, we're going to run the cold water over the sweater until no more soapy residue runs from the sweater. Now we're going to lay the sweater on a flat surface on top of a towel. Now we're going to roll the towel and the sweater together to remove any extra water from the sweater. And just keep rolling a few times as much as possible against your flat surface. Now you're going to need to dry the sweater flat, and the best way to do this is using a clothing rack which lets air circulate. If you want to know more about the one I'm using, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you. Now try to keep your sweater away from sun and heat, and as you lay it out flat, coax the sweater back to its original shape if needed, and then leave to dry.